And I am here with a video. Yes, I know you can hardly believe it, but I got some really amazing happy mail or merry mail, I guess you could say, and I wanted to share it with you guys. I wanted to share the things that I have received over the Christmas holidays from some special folks. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna move some of this stuff out of my way until I'm ready for it. But the one thing I did want to do is I wanted to show you this gorgeous card. This is going to go in my December dailies as I finish it up. This is just the sweetest card from a subscriber named Wendy. Wendy, this card is gorgeous. It's really, really pretty. But she said in here that she found me by searching about December dailies and that she really loved my channel. And I can't tell you how important that is to me and how much that means to me. That is just the sweetest thing. I am going to definitely be including this in my December daily album. I think it's a beautiful card. Thank you so much for taking the time to write this to me, to send me this, and to tell me the things that you said in this card. There's just no way you'll ever know how special that was to me. The next thing I got was from a very sweet subscriber. I feel quite sure that she made this. It's just beautiful. It's just a handmade card, but it basically is from Ginger. She is in Utah. I thought this was so pretty. I love the accent on the front of this. It's just so pretty. It's like snow. It's raised. It's kind of hard to tell, I think, on camera, but it's really pretty. I love the layering. It's just a beautiful card, and the way that she did it inside as well. It's just so pretty, but it came in this package, and she's from Utah, as I mentioned. She told me she was sending me something that was very special from Utah, and I opened it up and I found this, and I was just blown away. I thought this was so gorgeous. This says, "On earth, peace, goodwill towards men," and it says Great Salt Lake, and right here is an angel ornament. It says, "The Great Salt Lake is one of the natural wonders of the world because its waters are not drained by outflowing streams. It's 5 to 8 times saltier than the ocean. This unique salt crystal ornament is made by growing salt crystals in a closely controlled Great Salt Lake brine solution. The randomly growing crystals reflect light and natural brilliance." This is so cool. It's a Christmas ornament. I'm going to try to open it, and hopefully you'll be able to see. If I don't know, it may be, let me get my things here and see. I think it's taped is the problem. Let me see if I can open it up. There we go. It is so pretty, and it's so very, I would say it's brittle is what I would say. This is so pretty. This is going to be I'm going to have to definitely keep it in this. It's so pretty. I don't know if you can see just how much it sparkles, but it is gorgeous. It's so pretty, and the fact that it's made from the salt of the Great Salt Lakes is just really neat. But it's so pretty, and Ginger, thank you so much. What a thoughtful gift for you to send to me from Utah. I have never been to Utah, but now I have a piece of it in my home, and I absolutely love it. So thank you so much for the card that you sent and this beautiful ornament. It means a lot to me. The next thing that I got was and I do have on my PJs. Yes, I do have on my, I have on my flannel pajamas because it is really cold here. It's like going down to 15 tonight. So, and that's in Birmingham, Alabama. So if that tells you anything, but I did a pocket loader swap with a friend of mine, and she is the owner of Clippy Chick Creations, and these were all included. I absolutely loved all of these little pins. She just attached them to one of her cards. But her name is Karen, and I contacted her. We were selected to swap with each other in a, let's see, the Happy Mail Queen, her channel. We were randomly chosen to swap with each other back in the fall. And so I contacted her and I said, hey, let's do a Christmas swap. And she was all about that. And so she sent me all of these goodies. The first thing, of course, as I said, are these great little clips. They're so cute. I really love that. Of course, she included a candy cane, which I will be eating. She also included some stickers. I loved this. It says it's from Fun Chic Designs, but it's like a bucket list for Christmas. And then she also included this, which is really cool. This is perfect for a personal planner. So she sent me that, and it's from Plan with Anna. I really appreciated that. And then she sent me this. These are decorative brads from the Cabin Fever line of Simple Stories. Absolutely loved this. I love any kind of decorative anything, but these are just really, really special and totally cute. And I can see doing a fall kind of theme next fall, or this coming fall, I should say, using these. But I love the colors in this, and I just really, really enjoyed grabbing that out of there. So this is the pocket letter that she sent. And I'm not sure, honestly, if everything is where it's supposed to be. But she did attach these jingle bells. And it has this really cute little Santa Claus. It's like a miniature little notebook. It's so cute. What a cute thing to add to the side. And I love the, I don't know if you can see the tape that she's put on the side with the ornaments, but it was just, it's beautiful with this particular theme that she went with. So of course, like I said, I'm not sure, but she included these. I don't know if they're in the place that they were in when I actually opened it, but anyway, there's that. So right here we have this beautiful 3D element, A Very Merry Noel, and I loved all of these different things that she added in here. It's just, it made it so pretty. I loved the theme of it. It's very snowflake, very, very festive. The Christmas tree is adorable. I just love, love, love the three-dimensional look to all of it. Here she's done some layering with a doily, some gold stars, some enameled candy canes. I love the layering she did here. This is a really cool one with these little stars here. On the outside, she put Deck the Halls, and it has the little music notes. I can see trying really hard to go and reuse a lot of these in my December daily pages as well, because I still have so much left to do there. Here we have the Happy Holidays with this, the 3D layered Santa. The car here with the little tree on top, and the tree in the background, the enamel tree is so cute. And then, of course, with the ornaments, and again, a doily. So, on the back, without pulling any of these out because I don't want to misplace them, we have a couple of the wood veneer gingerbread men. We have some of these, I loved these Christmas trees and the Santa belt bows. I mean, how cute are they? And they have some gold foil on them. She has included lots of different die cuts, which I will be using. Here we have some three-dimensional elements that she has put in here. She also included, let me go ahead and open it up and show you. I wrapped it up really good because I don't want anything to fall out. But yeah, she included in here, she included this, and it's really, really sweet. This is her letter, and she just popped it down in there. I just loved it. I thought that was really sweet, the way that she did that on the back of the pocket. It was really funny that she put these deer heads in there because I put some in hers. I thought that was really kind of neat. She also included a couple of clips here. I actually included one for her from this same collection, but the one I sent to her was different. So I think that's really neat. We were very much on the same page. I absolutely loved getting the different sized pearly enamel dots, and then of course the stars and the silver and gold, and this wonderful selection of Christmas washi, Christmas and winter really. But the Santa hats I think are my favorite. So that is the pocket letter that I received from Karen over at Clippy Chick, and I absolutely loved it. Clippy Chick Creations, that's her shop name right there if you're interested. If you want to look at her up on Etsy and check her out. Now the next one that I have is really cool because it is from another country. Okay, here we go. This one is from a friend of mine that I have made. Her name is, I hope that I'm saying it right, Danenthi. She is in Sri Lanka. And so these are the things that she sent to me. It has taken a very long time for these things to get to each other, but I finally received mine and I'm so happy with it. It's just so cute. She sent me this clip, which is just adorable. It's a little 3D bear holding a gift. He's so stinking cute. I'm gonna add him to my Christmas supplies. She also made this, which I think is so nice, and she included in here, it's sort of like a homemade card, and that's where her letter to me is, and I read that. I'm just so glad to finally have this. So she said to me that this was the first one for her to do this year. I loved that she used the doily around this. And yeah, this is her first one for the year, and she did a fabulous job. It is so festive and so pretty. I just absolutely loved it. So anyway, you can see here she has lots of different stickers. Some of them are on the outside and some of them are on the inside, but they're so cute. Baby, it's cold outside, let it snow, season's greetings. I mean, such cute, cute items. I love the use of the gold doily. It's so pretty. Here's some three-dimensional things. But I just love the overall idea behind this pocket letter. It's very whimsical and very Christmassy in the way that it reminds me of my childhood, and I just loved it. I absolutely loved it. And then, of course, so there's that. And I just love it. I think it's so, so cute. And then what she did is she had this was wrapped up, and this was like maybe a napkin. I tried to save it as best I could because I want to put like just a section of it into my December Daily under my Merry Mail section. But I just thought this was a really neat way to wrap up the next part. So I'm just going to kind of fold this so that the tape won't stick to it. But she sent this, and I just love this. It says, "Greetings of the season," and she's decorated it. It's all handmade. I just love this paper that she's used. But she's put several different things in here. So this first one I loved. It says "Sparkle and Shine," and she's given me a mixture. I can definitely make a shaker pocket with this. It has all different kinds of neat sequins and pretty glitter. It's just really, really pretty. And then here it says buttons on here, and she's got it closed. I'm not going to open that on camera because they'll go everywhere, but I really love that she's included buttons. And then let's see, she's made several compartments here. I love that she made this. I think it is so cute. I love these. I wanted to make one of these on my channel, just sort of ran out of time, but I love the way that she's used the paper, and she's pleated it and used the straw as a handle. It's just really cute. And then, of course, here, let me pull this out. I've not looked at this part yet, so let me just kind of see what's going on in here. Okay, here we go. This is a printout from a collection. Oh, okay, that's cool. Oh, neat. Okay, so she's given me some printouts of some different things from a collection. Christmas and cookies and a little snowman. December delights. Oh, I love it. It's great little pieces of paper that I can use. Oh, look how cute the little polar bears. So very cute. Okay. She's also given me a heart shape and a couple of round doilies. And then this one, it says, let's see what the little, let me get this off and see what the paper says. Let's see here. Oh, these are so pretty. I love angels. I love angels. Okay. It says, these are images that you can make pop up by gluing one to another. Oh, how neat. Well, I will definitely have to work on that. That sounds like lots of fun and something that I could include in my album as well. So I absolutely love this. It's so neat to get things from other countries and see, you know, the kind of crafty items that are available in other countries. And I absolutely loved getting this from her. It was a beautiful little pocket letter, and I just really liked everything that she sent. It's just so cute. And that is my Merry Mail. I think that may be the last of it. I don't think I'm expecting any more. If I do get some more, I'll let you know. But guys, everyone, thank you so much for everything. And also, I just do want to give a quick shout out to Candy at Sassy Apple Studios for my sweet Merry Mail that she sent me. She and I have been friends for a while now, and thank you, Candy, so much for the Merry Mail that you sent me. That's going to be it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video, even though it was short. I am going to use it as part of my December daily. I'm trying to catch up. It's just taking me a while because I'm behind, but I promise I will get there. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, please hit the subscription button below and hit the like button too, and that will be all. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.